everybody, let's get the show on the road. This is a quick room tour. You got dozens of these, maybe even hundreds by now online. So we got our ice and glasses right here, those containers. What do we have down here, DJ?
A mini bar.
You want to show them what's inside there? Do they want to get anything out of the mini bar? Huh? Is that a place they want to play in? Alright, you don't want to play in there. These are the prices for the mini bar. You can pause that and check out those prices. They're actually not that bad. $9 for a Heineken though, and a Corona, you know. Well, also here you have information about what's going on. If you have a kid under, I believe it's 17, they get these wristbands so that they're trackable and traceable across the ship. And they also need those to get into the kids club. Over here we have a couch. This is room 12220. This does not turn into a bed from what I could see or figure out. So do with that information as you will. You have a closet here with an extra dust cover, I guess, or comforter. You got some drawers down here. So they've been used. This is the May 10th through the 17th sailing. So this is probably about the 5th or 6th sailing of the ship. So changes may happen. You got your climate control here. You got your buttons for service on the outside. So the makeup room turns on the bathroom light, the do not disturb. Is basically the same thing as putting a tag on your door saying do not come in. And down here, I do not know what those are. We'll figure those out together. Let's turn on this makeup room. Okay, that button did not do what I thought it was gonna do. Oh, okay. So these buttons down here actually control the bathroom light and other cabin lights. So here's your bathroom. You can see me right there. Got your makeup mirror right here. Got your face towels over there. You got more towels down there. We will probably be needing to request more TP. I know it's TP in here. All right, that's good. Got your standard toilet. You got your shower with a glass door. They provide you with shampoo and shower gel, so there you go with that. It's a nice looking shower. Up here you have a clothes drying rack, so if you have swimsuits or bathing suits, you can take this and connect this string over there. So got some more information for you guys. You gotta stop up here for your shower door so it doesn't bang into anything. You got your TV, you got your phone over here, you got some international plugs right here and some USB plugs. It's a USB-C and a Type A plug. Got your bed here. Over there you have more lights, and you also have, it looks like USB-C on each side of the bed. And then over here you have a safety lock up here to prevent kids from accessing the balcony. And then down here you can step out onto the balcony. I've been on the seashore, and now I am on the MSC World America. This one seems a little bit smaller from what I can remember from my last cruise, but yeah, there you have the Port of Miami. So that was a quick room tour here on the MSC World America, cruising out of Miami. Today is May 10th. We return on May 17th. So hopefully we see you guys on the MSC, and we will be giving you guys a review at the end. What do you think of the ship so far? Just thumbs up?
Yep. Cool.
This is your first cruise, right?
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to doing the most?
Fun.
It's just fun. Fun and adventure. Alright. Check you guys on the other side.
Peace.